Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this BMW iX3 80kWh M Sport. This vehicle is an electric vehicle, it is automatic and is also ULEZ compliant and is finished in carbon black metallic. To start off with, then you have your adaptive LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 19-inch 5-split-spoke alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing the carbon black exterior colour. Alongside of the vehicle you can find your privacy glass, which is located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. As this vehicle is an electronic vehicle, with a 7kW charger you can charge from empty to full in up to 12 hours. On a 15kW charger you can charge from 20% to 80% within 60 minutes, and this vehicle has a range of up to 282 miles. Moving to your boot space, you can find that you've got a large amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the black Finasca leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and as we pan round again you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. The driver's seat is electronically adjustable, allowing you to find a comfortable position, and then once you've found this position you are able to save it as well, as it is also a memory seat. This vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your volume controls, hands-free options and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at your digital dash, you can see this vehicle has done 12,630 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system you have everything you need for any journey. Included with this is your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with this you have your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls. And in your apps you can find Android Auto as well as Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. And you also have your rear camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature as well as airflow direction and easily adjust the airflow as well. You also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have. This has been a presentation on a BMW iX3 80kWh M Sport that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.